Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable live activities on the lock screen on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, enter the screen passcode. Then in here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Live Activities. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. So what is Live Activities? Live Activities displays your app's most current data on the iPhone screen and in the dynamic island, allowing people to see live information at a glance and perform quick actions that are related to the displayed information. And that's it. So from your lock screen, whenever there are information to be displayed, it will display live data. Finally, you can go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.